Hi there, thank you for visiting my channel, Jennifer DIY. Today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to add hardware handles like this bar handle, this 4-inch bar handle, to your existing kitchen or bathroom cabinetry. So I have the drawer front, or the cabinet fronts sitting outside on my sawhorses, and I'm going to now add the cabinet pull hardware. These pulls are 4 inches in between holes, and I ordered them from Amazon. They were a pack of 5 for about $9. So really cheap, and they'll really dress up the doors and hopefully preserve them a little bit from wear and tear, because there's a handle now instead of just using your fingernails to open the doors. So what you guys need for this project is you need to buy, or I think this is the easiest way to do it, you'll buy an alignment kit like this. It's at every big box store, and it comes in 2 pieces, one for knobs and the other for pulls. So I'm going to be using the one for pulls today, which looks like this, and it has two tabs on the ends that lets you put this right on the door exactly where you want it. It holds it right in place so that you make the same mark on both doors, and you only have to drill a hole once and you get the perfect result every time. So the only other thing that you need for this project is you're going to need a power drill, just like this one, or like this one, with a 3/16 inch drill bit, and that's the hole that this requires so that you can get your screw through to the other side of the hardware. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mark my holes. I'll show you how I do that, and then I'm going to drill the holes for the hardware. So now that the holes are drilled on my cabinet door, all I have left to do now is install it, and then I'll attach the handles once it's hung back in its original spot. So now that I've hung my doors, all I have left to do is install my new cabinet hardware that I just drilled fresh holes for. Thank you so much for watching my video on how to install cabinet hardware to existing cabinetry. For the full transformation of this bathroom from floor to ceiling, look at the links below. Also, I release new content every Friday, so please check out my website at DecorSauce.com or my YouTube channel at DecorSauce for all that great stuff. And if this is helpful to you and you like it, I would really appreciate it if you would like, share, and subscribe. It just helps me to bring great content to you all the time. So I really appreciate you watching, and thank you so much. Have a happy DIY.